this is Dr. Mike Littman. I'm here today with a beautiful, amazing, on average kids here. Like, which class you are from?
3.
They're from class 3, alright? So, let's have a quick introduction, alright? So, I will say my name and you're going to pronounce your name within no time, alright? So, very quickly, alright? So, my name is Mike. Yours?
Zainab.
Yours.
Riyad. Anise. Manu. Alisha. Nimra. Anisha. Nadia.
And the greatest news is we have a twin here, right? What's your name?
Anisha.
Risha and
Anise.
Alize. Risha and Alize, they both are twin, alright? Are you happy today?
Yeah.
Really? So it's going to be a great fun, I'm sure, because we are practicing here today something very special, because we already knew that how to say the short sound and the long sound in the vowel letters. But here today, this kind of diphthong sound is double O. It's a diphthong, but it's pronounced so differently, right? A lot of people make mistake. Like a lot of people say move, so it's wrong. It's a wrong pronunciation. It's incorrect. Okay. So what I'm going to share with you today is kind of the short O vowel sound, but it sounds differently. Even it's not a schwa sound, all right? It's kind of sound like, and here we're gonna use it like as a root word, all right? So it's gonna be so easy for you because we're gonna pronounce it with the different consonants and the different the vowels. So like you would see, but double O would create the same sound, all right? So can you do with me? Okay, for this you have to stretch your mouth out front, all right? And say O. Oh, can you stretch like this? Oh, oh. So remember, like when you speak in English, you don't need to care. Yeah, you don't need to care anything, but you need to care just one thing. Like I want you. Speak louder. What's your name? Mariam. Can you do it? Oh. Oh. Now you can see you're making your mouth smaller, and you are pushing your mouth up front. All right? Your cheeks are being pulled up like this. Can you do it? Stretch it. Yes. Great job. So this is the mouth position. Okay. Now yes. Let us see. I'm gonna pronounce this first word, and you observe what I'm doing with that mouth. Okay. Look, the B is ba. Look at this one, alright? Just look. Then copy, alright? Go. Bo. Oh. Okay? Bo. Bo. It's not mo. Ooh. No. It's bo. And you know it? Bo. 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 Okay? So let's pronounce other words, alright? So we have a beautiful list here for the words, for the practice words, alright? So what's the next one? C-double-O-K. Yeah, it's not cook, it's cook. This is what we are talking about. Oh. 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 Cook. It's not cook. It's not. No. Make your mouth smaller and stretch your mouth out front. Already? English is halfway You push your tummy back and you get lots of air outside. It's a bit tall.
New Bacon House group after schools and colleges और फल कमान है ये तारा इल्म की जान है हर साल कामयाबी की उम्दा मिसाल है जहाँ रोशन हर इम्कान है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह शुक्र का ये मकाम है शाइज़ा यूसुफ ने क्या कमाल है FSC में का रसूल से इसका निशान है साहिवाल पोडा में दूसरा मकाम है New Bacon House group of schools and colleges
It's very interesting diagrams, okay? Because CR means new sounds without curve. Can you do it? Curve. Yes, everything. Crop. Crop.
कितने सपने कितनी दुआएं कितनी रातें जागी सदाएं बातों की महंगी वालिदैन की दुआएं शायद आने का दिखाया वो ख्वाब सच्चा है New Bacon House group of schools and colleges जहाँ ख्वाब बनते हैं हकीकत जहाँ हर दिन है इल्म की बरकत नई नस्ल का इस्म है हर कदम इल्मी कदम है ये साहिवाल से पुकार आई है कि शादार फतह की पहचान आई है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह शुक्र का ये मकाम है शाइज़ा यूसुफ ने क्या कमाल है FSC में का रसूल से इसका निशान है साहिवाल पोडा में दूसरा मकाम है New Bacon House group of school schools and colleges. L की पहचान है रोशन, इससे हर हो जान है. New Bekul House group of schools and colleges.